Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable nearby sharing for Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this you can access it from basically 2 or 3 ways. And the first one is to click on your toolbar, so there's a Wi-Fi, sound and battery icon. Right here you can click and edit the icons with a pen. So click on Add and select Nearby Sharing. Click Done, and now you can enable or disable nearby sharing with a button right here. Another way to do it is to open a Start, go to the settings, find the settings called Nearby Sharing, Nearby Share Settings, and right here you can enable or disable nearby sharing by clicking on Off to disable it, clicking My Devices Only to select only devices that are logged into your current account or everyone nearby. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.